अस्य साह्यं मया कार्यम्
अस्य साह्यं मया कार्यम्
अस्य साह्यं मया कार्यम्
अस्य साह्यं मया कार्यम्
इक्ष्वाकुकुलवर्तिनः
कुलवर्तिनः
నాగాగా చెప్తున్నారండి ఇక్ష్వాకుకులవర్తినः
कुलवर्तिनः
నో అదర్స్ ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ సాహిత్య గారు మ్యూట్ చేయాలి మీరు ఓకే అస్య సాహ్యం మయా కార్యం
अस्य साह्यं
అస్య సాహ్యం మయా కార్యం
अस्य साह्यं मया कार्यम्
ఇక్ష్వాకుకులవర్తినः
इक्ष्वाकुकुलवर्तिनः
మమ హి ఇక్ష్వాకః పూజ్యాः
मम हि इक्ष्वाकः पूज्याः
परपूज्यतमाः तव.
परं पूज्यतमस्तव.
So he is now giving the reason to Menaka why we should help. So he is trying to say that both myself and yourself, both are beneficiaries in one way or the other of the Ishwaku family and Hanuman indirectly. Because Rama has not helped the sea directly, nor Hanuman has helped the Mainaka Parvata directly. But what has happened is, the sea god, the sea has been enlarged by one ancestor of Rama by name Sagara. Similarly, the Mainaka Parvata has also been helped by Hanuman's father, that is Vayudeva. Vayudeva had helped him. So actually, this is also a sort of a moral which Valmiki Maharshi is telling us. If you do something good to somebody, that benefit will come, if not to me, it will come to my successors. It will come to my progeny. At the same time, Valmiki Maharshi also telling us that whatever good is happening to us, whatever unexpected help we are getting from somebody, is only because of the good deeds done by our ancestors. It is never wasted. So that is a message which is being given. In a distant ancestor of Rama, Sagara had helped the Sagara. So Sagara wants to help Rama's Duta, that is Hanuman. Similarly, Hanuman's father, Vayudeva, had helped Mainaka. In what way, again, we'll see further. He has helped Mainaka. So Mainaka has to help Hanuman also. This is what he says. Asya sahyam maya karyam
अस्य साह्यं मया कार्यम्
Ishwakukulavardhinaः.
इक्ष्वाकुकुलवर्तिनः.
That means Sagara feels I should help any person who is working for the welfare of the Ishwaku family. Hanuman is helping Rama. Hanuman is helping somebody in the Ishwaku family. So I feel obliged to help him. Similarly, he says, Ishwaku kings are also worthy of adoration to me and also to you. He's telling Mainaka, Mamahi Ishwakavaha Pujyaha.
मम हि इक्ष्वाकः पूज्याः.
They're highly, I should worship them. Param Pujyatam Stava. Not only me, for you also. Param Pujyatamaha Tava.
परं पूज्यतमाः तव.
Read continuously. Asya sahyam maya karyam
अस्य साह्यं मया कार्यम्
Ishwakukulavardhinaः.
इक्ष्वाकुकुलवर्तिनः.
मम हि इक्ष्वाकवः पूज्याः
मम हि इक्ष्वाकः पूज्याः.
परं पूज्यतमास्तव.
परं पूज्यतमास्तव.
Now he'll explain further. Kuru sachivyam asmakam.
साचिव्यम् अस्माकं.
Kuru means do. Kuru sachivyam asmakam.
साचिव्यम् अस्माकं.
नः कार्यम अतिक्रमेत.
नः कार्यम् अतिक्रमेत्.
First na is negative. Na karyam atikramet. Let us not lose this opportunity. Naha means our. Let not this our work suffer. Let it not miss this opportunity. Naha karyam अतिक्रमेत्
नः कार्यम् अतिक्रमेत्
कर्तव्यम् अकृतं कार्यं
कर्तव्यम् अकृतं कार्यं
सतां मन्युम् उदीरयेत्.
तथां मन्युम् उदीरयेत्
Satam means pious people. Pious people will not like this. If we miss this opportunity of helping, paying our debt back to Hanuman and to Rama's family. Kartavyam. Kartavya means it is my duty. Karyam means worth doing. Akaryam, not worth doing. Akaryam is negative. Karyam, anything worth doing, it is my duty. So akrutam means if I leave it undone, if I do it not done. Kartavyam, akrutam, karyam. All the three words you can see. Karyam means work. Kartavyam, something which ought to be done. Akrutam, not being done. That means if I don't do something which has to be done, then pious people will not like this. So he is telling, Kuru Sachivyam Asmakam. You be my messenger. I am giving you this responsibility. I want to be a Hanuman. So you perform on my behalf this job. That is what Sagara is telling the Mainaka. Kuru Sachivyam Asmakam
कुरु साचिव्यम् अस्माकं
न नः कार्यम् अतिक्रमेत्
नः कार्यम् अतिक्रमेत्
कर्तव्यमकृतं कार्यं
कर्तव्यमकृतं कार्यं
तथा मन्युमुदीरयेत्
तथां मन्युमुदीरयेत्
सता मन्युमुदीरयेत्.
तथां मन्युमुदीरयेत्.
Now it is again telling him, get up. Salilat urdhvam uttishta.
सलिलात् ऊर्ध्वम् उत्तिष्ठ.
Uttishta means get up. Salilat means from water. Urdhvam means above. Salilat urdhvam uttishta.
सलिलात् ऊर्ध्वम् उत्तिष्ठ.
तिष्ठतु एष कपित्वयि.
तिष्ठः एष कपिस्त्वयि.
So get up, come out of the water so that Hanuman can take rest on you, can sit on you. Salilat urdhvam uttishta.
सलिलात् ऊर्ध्वम् उत्तिष्ठ.
तिष्ठतु एष कपित्वयि.
तिष्ठः एष कपिस्त्वयि.
अस्माकम् अतिथि चैव
अस्माकम् अतिथिश्चैव
पूज्यः च प्लवताम्बरः.
पूज्यः च प्लवताम्बरः.
Plavatamvaraha, the best among those persons who can fly, the best among those persons who fly is Hanuman. He is Pujyaha. He is worthy. Asmakam Atitihi. He is like a guest to me. Hanuman is flying over the sea. The sea is considering Hanuman to be its guest and somebody who is very, very worship worthy. So it is telling Mainaka to come up above the waters and enable Hanumanji to take rest on you. Salilat urdhvamuttishta
सलिलात् ऊर्ध्वमुत्तिष्ठ.
tishtatu esha kapitvayi
तिष्ठः एषु कपिस्त्वयि.
asmakam mathitischaiva
अस्माकम् अतिथिश्चैव
पूज्यश्च प्लवताम्बरः
पूज्यश्च प्लवताम्बरः.
चामीकर महानाभा.
दावीकर महानाभ.
Chamikara means golden, shining. Mahanava, great mountain. Chamikara Mahanabha
दावीकर महानाभ.
Devagandharva Sevita
देवगन्धर्व सेवित.
Hanuman Tvai Vishrantaha
हनुमान् त्वयि विश्रान्तः.
Tataha Sesham Gamishyati.
अतः शेषं गमिष्यति.
Gamishyati means the long distance he has to proceed. He will take rest on you and then complete the balance remaining journey. He will complete comfortably. O golden peaked mountain, Chamikara Mahanabha, you are the refuge of gods and Gandharvas. Everybody comes and stays on you. That means you are serving them. Deva Gandharva Sevita. Let him also rest on you for a short while before he completes the remaining part of the journey. Chamikara Mahanabha
दावीकर महानाभ.
Deva Gandharva Sevita.
देव गंधर्व सेविता
हनुमान् त्वयि विश्रान्तः
हनुमान् त्वयि विश्रान्तः
ततः शेषं गमिष्यति.
अतः शेषं गमिष्यति.
Now it's explaining further. Kakustasya anrusamsyam cha.
काकुस्तस्य अनुशंस्य च.
You can give a big pause between a and rusham, slight gap. Kakustasya anrusamsyam cha.
काकुस्तस्य अनुशंस्य च.
Maithilyaha cha vivasanam.
मैथिल्या च विवासनम्.
That is in search of Maithili. Shrama cha plavangendrasya.
रम च स्लवगेन्द्रस्य.
Samiksha उत्पातुम अर्हसि.
समीक्ष्य उत्पातुम् अर्हसि.
समीक्षा उत्पातुम अर्हसि.
समीक्ष्य उत्पातुम् अर्हसि.
Utpatum means getting up. Arhasi means you deserve. You have to rise up. Because Hanumanji is performing great effort. Plavangendrasya shramam cha. Great work Hanumanji is doing. Considering this, Samiksha, considering all these things, Kakustasya, that means Rama's agent. Rama is called Kakusta because born in the Kakusta family. Kakustasya Anrushamsamsya is a good-natured person. Cha Maithilyaha, Sita's deportation, because Sita has been abducted. To help Sita, Mother Sita, to help Rama, who is a good nature, you have to come up and give rest. Enable Hanumanji to take some rest. Kakustasya anushamsam cha.
काकुस्तस्य अनुशंस्य.
Maithilyascha vivasanam.
मैथिल्या च विवासनम्.
Maithilyascha vivasanam.
मैथिल्याश्च विवासनम्.
Shrama cha plavangendrasya.
रमं च प्लवगेन्द्रस्य.
Samikshotpatum arhasi.
समीक्षोत्तम अर्हसि.
Samikshothatum arhasi.
समीक्षोत्तातुम् अर्हसि.
You join the ter with this and give a small pause, you will get it. Samikshothatum arhasi.
समीक्षोत्तातुम् अर्हसि.
So with this one more segment also coming to end, where Samudra is requesting Mainaka to come up and help Hanumanji, in a way indirectly helping Lord Rama, for whom both the Sagara and also the Mainaka are in one way or the other indebted. That is what he is trying to tell.